Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for QuickBooks, complete guide step by step clearly. To register for QuickBooks, start by navigating to the official QuickBooks website. Once there, locate the Sign Up or Get Started button on the home page. Click on that button to proceed to the registration page. You will be prompted to choose a plan that suits your business needs. Select your preferred plan by clicking on it. After selecting a plan, you will be directed to a sign-up form. Fill out the required fields, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password that meets the specified criteria. Once your information is complete, read through the terms and conditions. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Create Account button to move forward. You will receive an email to verify your account. Open the email and follow the provided link to confirm your registration. After verification, go back to the QuickBooks website. Log in using your email address and the password you created. Once logged in, set up your company profile by entering essential details about your business. Follow the prompts to configure your accounting preferences. Finally, explore the QuickBooks dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. Your QuickBooks registration is now complete, and you're ready to start managing your finances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.